Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use VLOOKUP between two Google Sheets. To use VLOOKUP between two Google Sheets, combine the VLOOKUP function with import range. The import range function fetches the data array from the second file. So, step 1, copy the source file's URL. Open the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to look up or retrieve. Highlight and copy the entire URL from your browser's address bar. And prepare the VLOOKUP formula. In the destination Google Sheet where you want the data to appear, click the cell where you want to apply the formula and type the following. So I'm going to type here, VLOOKUP, for example, A2, import range, insert URL here, right? Sheet 1, exclamation point, A2, C50. Right? 3, false. And replace the parts of the formula with your specific data. A2, right? The cell containing the value you want to match across both sheets. Insert URL here is where you gotta paste the copied URL of the source spreadsheet inside double quotes. And the sheet 1, A2, exclamation point, A2, C50 or range string, this is the exact name of the tab in the cell range of the source data inside double quotes. And you have 3, the number 3, which is the index, the column number within the selected range from which you want to retrieve the data, e.g. column C is the 3rd column. False is sorted, ensures that formula looks for an exact match. And when you first press enter, the cell will display a #ref exclamation point error and a prompt asking you to allow access. Click the button to connect the two sheets and the data will instantly load. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.